is the backbone of visual clarity. This script teaches how to creatively separate tonal ranges to guide the viewer's eye. The opening frames tone as a compositional tool rather than a correction task. You will learn how to distribute brightness and darkness to create balance and emphasis. The teaching approach is artistic, focusing on visual rhythm and contrast placement. The takeaway is learning how to make images readable and impactful without relying on color alone. When the narration ends, you will have a refined understanding of how tonal structure shapes visual storytelling.